Good day po, ang pangalan po ng aming company ay PowerChill at ang aming produkto ay Smart Electric Fan generating electricity for sustainable cooling. And innovation, stay cool, save energy. Next. So ito po yung member ng aming company. Ako po si Ivan G. Vasco as Hustler.
I'm Delupio Marcaiban as Sifter.
I am Jesly Lapus as Hacker.
Problem. Due to regular use of cooling system, especially in hot, humid condition, many homes have high energy costs. This is substantial financial strain, especially for families with modest incomes. So dahil po sa paggamit ng electric fan, lalo na ngayon mainit, tumataas po yung bill ng kuryente. Ito po ay problem sa babayarin, lalo na sa mamamayang hindi malaki yung sahod nila sa trabaho. Next. We are proposing a smart electric fan minimize the amount of power it consumes from the grid by producing some of its own energy, which cuts home energy costs. This increases accessibility and affordability of cooling. So ang aming solution po ay gagawa ng electric fan na kayang mag-generate ng sariling kuryente para mabawasan ang gastos sa kuryente.
The Smart Electric Fan, generating electricity for sustainable cooling. Purposes a revolutionary concept in the cooling industry. Introduce an innovative fan design that not only provides effective cooling but also generate electricity through integrated renewable energy technology. Ang aming fan ay meron siyang sensor na kung may iwan fan kahit na gumagana. At meron din itong solar. At ano nga po ba yung kinagandahan ng aming fan? Meron din itong generator na kaya mag-generate ng electricity papunta sa electricity storage na sigurado makakatipid kasi yung electricity bill. Target market. Dahil sa init ng panahon, madami gumagamit ng fan. Kaya napili namin target market ay ang homeowner, school, hospital. Dahil sila ang mga madalas na gumagamit ng electric fan sa init na panahon ngayon.
Competition or competitive advantage. Our competitors are the traditional electric fan, energy efficient fan, portable battery operated fan, and the solar powered fan. Our product is the smart electric fan generating electricity for sustainable cooling. The advantage is may sarili po siyang generator na habang umaandar siya ay nag-generate siya ng electricity. At ito po ang maganda sa electric fan natin. Ang nabanggit na competitor natin ay nasa aming product tulad ng tradition, ng energy efficient, portable battery, at solar panel. Yeah. And our finance. The variable cost per unit is the production cost is 2.5, marketing 500, maintenance 200. The fixed cost per year is 200,000, 100 utilities 50,000, miscellaneous 30,000, marketing and promotion 100,000. Ito po yung summary based sa financial project yearly. Total revenue over the 5 years 44,992,500. The total cost over 5 years, 25 million. The total profit before tax over 5 years, 19,992,500. The total tax over 5 years, 1,875,000. Net profit over the 5 years is 18,991,625. Thank you po sa pakikinig. always remember, innovation, stay cool, and save energy.